Hi, it's Leon with the development team. We've been hard at work revamping and refreshing several areas of the platform to make the user experience smoother, more intuitive, and in sync with the UI. So, uh, I wanted to bring this one up because it has changed significantly enough that you may have questions or not want to run into this by surprise. But everything's relatively the same as far as workflow settings are concerned. You got rid of some extra settings that are no longer, that are deprecated or out of date. You can still allow multiple. They just change it to allow reentry. So, if you enable this, it'll allow a contact to reenter this workflow if it's been in it before. And we've still got stop on response, but something of difference of note is that you can select contact time zone, which is extra peace of mind that is going out during the contact's time zone. You can specify time windows and sender details and mark conversations as read so that the messages that come out of this automation are marked as read and don't populate your notifications excessively. History's been changed to enrollment history, and you can select the contact card from here, see the date enrolled, the current action they're in and status. But if you're wanting more details, you'll go to view execution history, which will basically take you to execution logs, and you can look at the flow of this contact and view view additional details, and make sure that all the history is included by selecting these icons. That is pretty much it. So just some changes name-wise and structure-wise. This is vastly improved and different, so I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Thanks for your time.